to the lower left to start the game after you've launched the program. The teacher or trainer will have the class divided into teams. Each team is asked a question from a set of vocabulary or test questions for review that the teacher or trainer has. Basically, after you answer the question correctly, the teacher will click the button at the top that makes the car move for that appropriate team, and the car that gets to the end first wins. 5 correct answers will cross the finish line. So I'm going to click play here to show you how it works. If we had a yellow team here, we would say, yellow team, here's your question. If they get it right, I'll now click the yellow banner up here to make that car move. And again, we could ask the red team a question. If they get it right, we'll move them. And again, the one that goes to the 5th place first, that gets 5 questions right first, will win the game. You can also cut off by whoever is the furthest in the lead after 5 questions, etc. Also in the race series of games is Horse Race Central. Very similar to the car race game, you basically are moving horses instead of cars. Each class is divided into teams, and the teams get questions. If they get them right, the teacher or trainer will click the buttons at the bottom of the screen to make the horses at the top move. So for example, if we ask the red team a question, we would simply click the red button and the red horse would move. And we ask the blue team a question, they get it right, they get to move 1 spot forward. This basically continues until you run out of questions or until one team has gotten 7 correct answers, which will cross them across the finish line and cause their horse to win. Both the car race and the horse race are built around the idea of going to the fairgrounds and holding that little water pistol on that little red target and hoping that yours gets across the finish line first. So these is basically how the horse and the car race work. To begin the game using Office 2007, go to the Slideshow tab and click 1 time. After clicking on the Slideshow tab, click the From Beginning button on the far left. This will begin the game. To start the game in any version of PowerPoint before Office 2007, go to the Slideshow menu and choose View Show. This game is designed for whole class participation. Participants are divided into teams or may work as individuals. For best results, use an LCD projector or TV to display the game to participants. If you receive a security alert when beginning this game and you're using Office 2007, simply click the Enable This Content button and then click OK. Please note, if you are using a version of Microsoft Office prior to Office 2003, some of the features in these games may not function properly. It is advised that you use Microsoft's free PowerPoint viewer for actual gameplay. To download the free viewer, just do a web search for PowerPoint Player 2007.